YouTube, what is good, man? Today, as you can see on screen, we caught two beautiful back-to-back trades over here at Swish Trading. One for 226 ticks, the other one for 220 ticks. We caught a short and a long today, and we were done 15 minutes into market open. I made $350 in like 4 minutes of walking into market open, so you cannot complain about that. And then the second trade here was 220 ticks called out by Blur, one of my traders at Swish Trading. So if y'all actually want to see the recap on this trade, make sure you guys click the first link in my bio. It's going to be directed towards his Twitter X account, and he'll be doing a recap on there. So beautiful trade right there. And I'm just going to go over mine here. So as you guys can see, we had market open around here at this green level. How can I mark it out here? Mark it out right here, right? This was market open on this green candle right here. And we can see price had a giant pump to start off the market, right? So technically when the market does, most mornings the market does one thing, and it's take out either buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. And that is what you want to see at market opens, right? You guys want to see a market open and aim for either a sell side level or a buy side level and sweep either of those highs and then see a reversal in that direction. And that is exactly what we saw today. I'm going to switch to the 5-minute time frame right here. And as you can see, this was the buy side level that we swept, right? We swept these buy side right here. And what happens? Market open, take out buy side. We see a sweep of that buy side. And then what do we have right above the buy side liquidity at this level? We have a 1 minute fair value gap plus break of structure, which was all the way over here, right? I had to scroll a lot over here. This is from the 7th, and today's the 13th, right? This was a level that was formed on the 7th of February, and today is the 13th of February. And this was a key level for me because we had such a clean break of structure on this level. We had very strong structure that was created at these highs up here. A lot of structure created, and then boom, a huge sell-off right here, which left behind a fair value gap, a SIBI, a sell side imbalance. And it had a break of structure on this as well on that 1 minute candle, right? So I left that level marked out because it never got mitigated, right? Meaning it was never tapped into all the way up, until, hold on, stick with me here. Like I said, this was a couple days ago, so I have to scroll a lot. I have to speed it up here, Jesus. All the way up until today. And we did come close. Yesterday, we came close to tapping into that level, but instead we saw a sell-off premature before we tapped into that level, which is a, good and bad thing. Sometimes you're like, oh, damn, like in the heat of the moment, you wish you would have just had price go up a little bit more to tap into your level. But the beautiful thing about this is that it actually leaves behind liquidity, right? There's going to be liquidity that is left behind at that level. So when you have a rejection level, such as a 1 minute fair value gap, 5 minute fair value gap, 15 minute fair value gap, whatever the PD array actually is for you, and then you have a sweep of either buy side or sell side right before, it's a very strong no, because there's still orders, there's still stop losses that are sitting right above this high, and market is just generating liquidity day in and day out. So once we come up here, sweep that high, right? We sweep that high. And then we tap into that 1 minute with break of structure, and I put, my normal stop loss is about 60 to 65 ticks on that. And This was, since the market opened actually so quickly, I actually saw this level pretty close to market open. So I just put, my standard stop loss on this, about 60 to 65 ticks, because what is the reasoning behind that stop loss is because I noticed with my strategy, it usually calls for that, right? Majority of the time, if one of my PD arrays is going to play that goes with my strategy, you usually don't really see more than 60 to 65 ticks worth of drawdown. And if you do, it most likely is the draw on liquidity is wrong anyways, right? So swept that buy side liquidity from yesterday, tapped into the 1 minute fair value gap with that strong break of structure from a couple days prior that we never got mitigated. And then boom, all that I targeted was this lower fair value gap down here. So from fair value gap to fair value gap pretty much. And again, this one kind of had some break of structure on it, whatever. But honestly, I kind of wish I did hold to the low. I did mention that when I took this trade to the group. You could probably hold until that VWAP. That's what this blue line is right here. We have VWAP right there, and we have 200 EMA, and we have this fair value gap down here, which I was actually going to take a long off of. I personally didn't, but like I said, Blur, one of my other traders at Swish Trading, did take that level. So this was the draw on liquidity, right? We tap into that. We either take out these lows, and we tap this level, and that's exactly what we did. And then once we tap into that level down here, you could even target, the next SIBI up here as well. And it's just, that is just the game of trading, right? It's trading from level to level, but you also have to have a good, clear draw on liquidity. And that's exactly what we did today. Open very strong. And usually when we see giant moves, like a huge opening, like we had today, boosted us 350 ticks in 4 minutes to start off market open, we're going to see that level partially get mitigated or fully mitigated. And in this case, we fully got mitigated and took out that opening low. And yeah, it's as simple as that, bro. We got 226 ticks on that. And we were in this trade for about, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, I think. And personally made $350 on that trade. So I'm quite happy with, making that appear out of thin air in a couple of minutes. And of course, a bunch of the people in the Discord made money. And I'm currently live right now. Yo, Discord, let's get some W's in chat for YouTube. Let's get some W's if you guys are in here. Doing a live trading recap with the fellas today. So let's get some W's if you guys made money today. And of course, everything I do, it's on live stream. It's, live in front of my premium Discord community. So, if you guys want to trade, get my same signals as today, all you guys have to do, click that link down in my bio, sign up for premium and trade live with me every single day, get signals, whatever. And of course, as always, the poster gains today went absolutely insane as well. I mean, you guys can join the Discord and take a look for yourself, but I mean, the gains go on and on and on today. And yeah, I mean, the gains just go on and on, bro. So, people were making anywhere from $100 to $1,000. I know some people made like close to $3,000 today. Look at Yuma here. He said, thanks, all on my funded accounts. And look at all those gains. Like what? So yeah, of course, whole team banked today as usual. And yeah, guys, it's a pretty quick and simple trade recap for you guys today. And of course, if you guys want to see that long position that the team also took, make sure you guys click that link. It'll probably be like the first link in my bio, which is going to be a Twitter link to Blur, his trade recap on the long, which you guys should definitely go check that out as well. And, look at all the gains from today. So, yeah, YouTube, I'm out of here, man. I hope you guys enjoy this trade recap. As always, leave a like, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.